And your first question reminded me of myself when I was very young, and my parents insisted every day to take us for Fajr Salah, and it was literally 3 miles away, and we used to walk on foot. So we're very tired. In addition to also you have schools, you have whatever. No, we have to go to pray in the masjid, and we used to walk about 3 miles. So many times when we were young, once the Imam goes for sujood, we say Allahu Akbar, I would fall asleep, not doze off. I would really fall asleep. Sometimes I would only wake up in the last sajda whenever he is ready to sit for tashahud and taslim. So sleep is a sleep, you know, you cannot do anything about it. But as I said, this is when we were kids. Sometimes when the person is overwhelmed and so tired, or have taken sleep pills, and he or she is praying in the sujood, they may doze off. If they doze off in the sujood, then they need to renew their wudu, because anything could happen, particularly in the position of sujood, and you don't know whether it was a couple seconds or couple minutes. Can you tell? You can't. So in this case, you need to take off and make wudu and redo